Namaskaram. I am Dr. Sijit Sridhar, Chief Medical Officer at Prakriti Shakti, the Clinic of Natural Medicine by CGH Health. Another International Yoga Day is approaching. Every International Yoga Day provides us an opportunity to spread the scientific and therapeutic aspects of yoga among general public. Being a yoga naturopathy doctor, I often encountered a question from the general public as well as from my students and patients that why yoga and naturopathy considered as a single system of medicine by Department of Ayush, Government of India. When you look into the aspect of this, there are many reasons for considering this as a single system. The philosophical reason is the concept of yoga beautifully blends with the philosophy of naturopathy about disease, that is unity of disease and unity of cure. Naturopathy believes, practices and preaches that disease is single. There is only one reason for disease, that is toxemia. And the treatment is taking the toxemia out of the body. And yoga, the philosophy of yoga, says that the disease happens because of adis in the mind, in the manomaya kosha, which manifests as a psychosomatic disorder in the annamaya kosha, which is known as vyadis. The psychosomatic disorders may be different kinds, maybe a cardiac disease or a diabetes or a hypertension, but they start from a single cause of stress, which is considered as the mental toxemia by naturopathy. So to take a disease out of the body, the mind has to be treated and the body has to be cleansed. And when yoga and naturopathy comes together, it takes care of the mind and body together and helps to take out the root cause of the disease. Another reason for considering these two as together is because naturopathy philosophy is Lankhanam Paramaushadam. Lankhanam in naturopathy is fasting. Why we give fasting? The philosophy, the science is beautifully explained by different literatures. But the science of Lankhanam fasting is when body is free out of the metabolic efforts. The vitality of the body is to free, to heal the body, to repair and regenerate. And fasting provides one form of Lankhanam, but there are another form of Lankhanam which give a freedom for your speech, give a stoppage for your breath and for the body. The pranayama, the kumbhaka practice of pranayama, which helps you to Lankhanam for your breathing, help you to reduce the breathing pattern, to make the unsteady breathing into a stable one, and you are reaching a stoppage Lankhanam in your breath. And when you practice asana, Sthiram Sukham Asanam, help you to bring stillness in your body. And when you club Mavanavada, the spiritual aspect of naturopathy along with it, it beautifully brings the Lankhanam, the four aspects of Lankhanam in form of fasting, pranayama, asana and Mavanavada, helps body to recoup from the disease and bring about the ultimate healing purpose. And the third reason for considering yoga and naturopathy as a single system as part of clinical practice is the holistic approach. Every other disease needs an external intervention in form of chemical medicine or a herbal medicine. They don't believe in the body's ability to heal itself. All the medical system agrees that a good food, good exercise, good sleep will help you to make healthy, but they believes that that is not enough to bring back the health for you to heal you. They need help of external medicine. But yoga and naturopathy believes in the ability of the body to heal itself. In the last many centuries, it proven that if there's a good food and a good exercise and a good rest can make you healthy, imbalance in this make you disease. Bringing back balance to this the body with the help of a good diet, the naturopathic diet, and good activity in form of yogasanas, and relaxation in form of meditation, pranayama and different yoga nidras, and fasting brings in a holistic, well equipped and effective healing practice to your body, and it helps you to bring health and healing to you. So let us use the International Yoga Day to spread this awareness of yoga and naturopathy to the general public, because this time demands it. The entire world is facing a crisis where there is no medicines or method help you to fight against a pandemic. But there is a system. help you to equip your body. Doesn't matter how effective the virus may be. Make your body healthy so that you can be healed, healthy, and lead a blissful, happy life. Thank you.